Bye, Sir John.
Goodbye, Miss Mia. Want some Weetabix? Okay.
I'm going to work. Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Take care.
So, another beautiful morning, mga palangga. Not. Because it's raining. So, pupunta muna ako sa work and I'll see you later. Babush! So, nandito na ako mga palangga. Nandito na ako sa car park. Ako yung pinaka punctual sa amin. Yung oras dito is 7:08 in the morning. At yung trabaho ko magsisimula ng 7:30. Ang lakas ng hangin mga palangga. Umuulan.
Are you having bread, darling?
Yes, I'm having bread. Thank you. Just one piece, please.
Still not to go.
I'll just do my uniform. So, we're having lunch mga palangga. But, i-hanger ko muna tong uniform ko kasi nilabhan ko at to be honest mga palangga, wala kaming dryer. At sa ganitong weather na umuulan na lang, mga 3 days na umuulan dito, non-stop. Kailangan to i-prioritize. Hala, may panty pa dito. Ay, ginoo ko! May panty pang nakasabit. Kaya talaga, pag winter, yung bahay namin puno ng mga clothes everywhere. And can you look in here, babe? What is in here? This past few days, mga palangga, I have a lot of pimples. And even in my scalp, I got pimples. Can you have a look?
Nothing.
No, there is something!
It's not violence.
Please, look.
Yeah, but look at me. It's a pimple. Exactly what it says on the tin. It's a pimple. Oh, not again. What we should have is a microphone. And we can go.
Somebody sing. We should sing together. Now that we got microphone. Oh my god. It sounds horrible. Well, I sound horrible. And more question here. There's few questions in the held review.
What is that?
Somebody asked here.
Mm-hmm.
Who make more noise in bed?
You do, snoring.
Yeah, no, you do. No, I don't snore. But I do talk in bed a lot. So I'm the noisy one.
You talk in your sleep a lot.
Yeah. So I'm the noisy one.
She can't keep secrets from me because she talks that much in bed. The secret would come out. Because quite often, what she talks about while she's sleeping is what she's been doing in that day. So if she's been naughty, well, John would know. Not that she would be naughty anyway.
So you or me?
You what, darling?
You or me? Who make more noise in bed?
Well, it depends. I do snore sometimes, so that can be noisy. But you talk a lot, so that's noisy. So we're probably much on a par.
Yeah.
The only thing we could really do with is she had longer legs, so she could keep my feet warm. Really yummy, this bread, you know. Isn't it? So healthy. Full of bird seeds.
Anyway, boy, more questions.
Go on then, fire away.
How could you tell someone that they are genuine?
How? Well, one, you go off their body language when you first meet them, and by the way they act and talk, and especially if you look you in the eye when they're speaking to you, at all times, you know. and then as time goes on, it doesn't matter how good an actress somebody is, they can't keep it up for it permanently. It's very, very difficult to do that. You would catch them out. You would notice, oh, that's not right, that's not normal, you know. Because you know, end of the day, as the saying goes, a leopard never changes its spots, and it's same with humans. Your body language, the way you act, and the things you do, you will always revert back to your natural way of doing it. So it's very difficult to continue that over a long period of time. Plus, how much touchy-feely, loving, kissing, and you know how much you know you want each other as well. So in the whole package, you learn, and probably okay, if you're an older guy with a younger girl, then that the older guy, if he doesn't get blinded by, oh fantastic, such a little beautiful young woman wants to be with me, and you see beyond that, you can actually see how genuine and how real. And I can actually put my hand on my heart and say, Mia is probably the most genuine person that I've met. No good smiling, because the trouble is, she may be intelligent in every way, but you've got to be mega intelligent to be able to continue to lead a life that is full of lies and not true. And there's not many people intelligent enough to do that. So all I can say is, I know with us, so you know, it's just, you've got to watch out for the signs. So you know, be aware. I know it's wonderful to be wanted by a young female, but yeah, you got to think with your brain sometimes, and not with the nether regions, as I call it. So you know, another thing I say is, if you want to be conned and you want to be ripped off, normally you just allow people to do it, because either one, you're blind and can't see what's happening in front of you, or you just don't care. One or the other. So, well, anyway. Plus, I'm very careful with my money, so you know, I won't be conned. I've met many people in my life, and you can always tell the genuine ones within the first few minutes of meeting them by the way they talk to you and act in the body language. So, but like us, we've been together too long now to not know that it's real, isn't it?
What do you mean by that?
Well, what I mean is, you know, people say, you know, you gold digger, young girls only marry older men for money. Well, if that was the case, I would know by now, by the way you are, the way you act, the way you are, how touchy-feely, and how you look at me, and how all the things you actually do and say, probably more of what you do than what you actually say. You know, body language again, you know, and that tells you the truth. So, you know.
I think if I just only want money, I would not marry John. Because he has no money, to be honest. He could not even afford my dream car. And we've been together for not quite a long time, but it doesn't feel it is long time. But you know, I love this man. Even he gives me headache.
But she might say she has a headache, but there's one thing I will say. She never has a headache in the bedroom. She's always naughty.
No, I'm not.
Oh yes you are. I'm a slave. Like I've always told you. It's great. So anyway, I did notice the other day somebody wrote a comment about it, just generalising. Basically it said young girls only marry for money, period. basically, that's your opinion, but not everybody is the same.
You might hear a case that, you know, young girls married only for money.
Yeah,
And
well,
I
not
don't.
wrong, but there's hundreds more that marry and live happily ever after, isn't
Yeah.
it? You know? It's always the case. One bad story just paints a bad picture for everyone else who is genuine, which is really unfair. You know, but anyway, like I say, keep your eyes wide open, keep your mind open, and you'll know whether they're genuine or not.
So what do you think about me?
No, I know you're genuine, darling.
God!
If I thought you weren't, we wouldn't be sat here now. I would never have married you. You know? Because the thing is, when we first met, when we were online, I could set my watch by you every day. You were there online, same time, every single day. You get so upset if you couldn't get through or whatever. Not through jealousy, but just because you wanted to be
With you.
talking to me.
Yeah.
And likewise. So, you know,
Yeah.
we know. She's laughing. That's how funny she thinks it is. Should I kiss her? Okay. Right. I need chocolate. Keep the energy up. The chocolate is good for the energy, especially when you're a slave. These people think I'm joking. I'm not, but it's great. That's a big zito, darling.
Yeah. Sorry mga palangga kung this vlog is just a sit down video. There's nothing to do because it's raining. It's just been so horrible weather.
We're going out soon. The skies are clearing slowly.
So please bear with us.
Oh,
We're going to Asda mga palangga.
oh, see, I'm a gentleman. Remember
Thank
this?
you.
Showing.
And do you believe in alien?
No.
Why?
Well, there might be other life forms somewhere. Because we haven't found them
Do
yet.
you believe in aliens, mga palangga? I do believe in aliens.
Well, there must be life somewhere else.
Yeah,
in this
there is
universe.
there is life probably.
Yeah.
You never know.
Could be.
Oh, my cycle race event again.
No, it's maybe going that way. Oh.
Nandito na kami sa Asda mga palangga. At madaming tao. We are home! I-prepare ko lang yung tea namin mga palangga because we are quite late. After that, I will do a quick haul for you.
I'll carry on shopping.
Yes, you carry all the shopping.
Look.
And I will just do a quick haul. We bought 2 mouthwash. I bought 2 tongs, bananas, mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Sausage. And you need to show that, Jan.
I've already shown it. I said this is my pudding which I'm not sharing with you. Remember? Because you didn't help me carry shopping in. Remember?
And I bought 3 masks.
Yes,
Simple masks.
we have no bananas.
And what did you get, Jan?
Secret.
No, you need to show
I
them.
don't know.
We bought potatoes as well as bread. I also bought Jan's jeans.
2 pairs of
2 pairs of jeans.
cheap jeans for knocking around the house.
I bought a 90s. I like this kind of 90s. So that John can just...
Slavery again.
I bought a panty. At nakakatuwa kanina mga palangga because we met a guy in Asda today. And John is very excited about it. So we met a guy in Asda. He approached us and he said, "Excuse me, are you the one the couple who do YouTube?" And we're sort of, yeah, like, you know, the feeling that you are not used to be approached by people. And hi to you, Dave. Dave, isn't it? And hi to you, Dave. Thank you so much for approaching us. It's very nice to meet you. Come on, try the jeans that I bought you. Please.
They're the cheap ones. These are dearer ones.
Please.
They're the working ones.
Yeah. But I want you to try this. Please try on video with Sir John again. Come on, John, try this.
No,
Please.
I'm doing it upstairs. They're just work trousers.
I know they're work trousers.
Look. See guys, they're fine. See?
You're lazy today.
See? No, I'm not taking my trousers pants off here. You just want me to get my pants off. I know you're again. It's unbelievable. Right.